Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will take you to make salad, egg salad and cucumber that I just harvest from my field and green salad that I plant. So will be each my lunch today. So go to check out with me how I'm do it. So ingredient: 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, cucumber. Where is my egg? Where is my egg? Oh my god. Where is my egg? Where are they go? Oh ไปใส่วะ Oh, where's my egg? Sorry, I lost my egg. Okay, I have to find my egg. Sorry. I step on my ball egg. So I cannot take it to make a sandwich. I'm sorry. So my sandwich will be only vegetable sandwich. Continue more. So cucumber and this salad, green salad I plant in my yard house, and black pepper. This sunflower, no need to add it, just decorate. So this ingredient: sliced cucumber. How I can record the video and slide it. Slide the cucumber, you can see very fresh, very fresh cucumber. To add salad. And cheese and cucumber. And I add a black pepper. So it's done already, my sandwich. So I will have sandwich, cucumber for lunch, and iced coffee. So come to enjoy with me. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. Please subscribe or support my YouTube channel, because the next step, if I have more subscriber, I will go next level how to grow cantaloupe, which is a little bit more difficult for our area, and I want to do the hand pollination about the cantaloupe fruit. And if you think this video is helpful or sharing how we do garden here in Thailand, a small garden, we plant and we eat in our family, and when a lot, then we sell out. So this the way I do. I plant and I take my vegetable to eat it. Is more healthy and make sure that no have chemical or bad thing in your vegetable. So cheers and have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. Hope to see you in the next video, and please feel free to leave comment below, because I would like to share my story here in Thailand, and hope to see you next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะgood